Hey guys, it's Lucas, and in this video we're going to go over Instagram message not received. I'll explain why this error may occur and some steps to take if you do encounter this error. So if you're having issues sending or receiving messages, there are a couple of reasons why that may be. The first reason is something that may sound obvious, but it's something to be aware of nonetheless. Check your internet connection. Make sure that your Wi-Fi connection is up, or if you're on cellular data, make sure that you are in a spot with good service. In order to check this, you can go to your settings. So we're going to go to settings. And we're going to go to network and internet. And just make sure that your Wi-Fi is on. And you can check in here to see if your LTE, cellular data, is on as well. And you can, toggle those on and off if needed. And then you can go to airplane mode, toggle that on and off, and to make sure that your connection is stable. So the second thing you can do is clearing the app data in cache. Sometimes a full cache or device memory won't let new messages download and be displayed. So in order to do this, since we're in settings already, we can just go back. And we're going to hit apps. And we're going to hit see all apps. Scroll down to Instagram. And in this setting page, we're going to hit storage in cache. And then we're going to hit clear storage. So when we hit clear storage, the clear cache already automatically cleared as well. Okay, so the third thing you can do is make sure your app is updated. So in order to figure this out, we can get out of settings. We're going to go to the Play Store. And we're going to go to type in Instagram. And we just want to make sure that our app is up to date. A fourth thing to consider is if your internet connection is working correctly, and so is the Instagram app, there is a possibility that the issue isn't from your end. If you can't send direct messages to a particular user, there are two possibilities to consider. One, the user has configured their account's privacy settings to restrict DMs. Secondly, the person has blocked you. When blocked on Instagram, you might be unable to send direct messages. You can also check to see if Instagram servers are down. You can check by going to your browser and going to a website called Down Detector. So we can just go on Google and just type in Down Detector Instagram. And then we'll hit that first link there. So here we can see that whether or not Instagram has any server issues. And the last thing to consider is it's good practice for social media apps to limit the usage rate of select features or services. As a spam prevention measure, Instagram could temporarily restrict you from sending DMs if you've messaged too many users, particularly people you don't follow within a short time span. There have been reports from numerous Instagram users temporarily restricted from sending direct messages because they DM'd too many people at one time. I hope this video was helpful. If you guys have any questions or concerns, let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe.